Since I finally got my package today, I figured let's do an unboxing of both of the headphones. Some people might be interested in why the hell would you get two, and since I ordered from thomann.de, the shipping costs for just one pair were about half the price of the actual headphones, so I figured, hey, why not? Let's get two and let's see which one I like more. So probably let's start with the 330 Pro. It just has a sleeve on top. And then we open it from this side. Just a little cardboard piece. And then you see the actual headphones. Alongside the headphones we also get a carrying case, I assume. It's very scratchy, plasticky feeling, so nothing too great, but it is here. And we get the other end of the cable. So the cable is one of those screw-on ones to go from 3.5 to the bigger, I assume, balanced jack. And this is how the headphones look. These are the semi-open back ones, though both of them have this like piano black reflective plastic on them. They have an adjustable band. It feels so scratchy though. I don't like how that feels at all. They do swivel a bit in and out, which is good to contour to your head. The cable is non-detachable though, which is unfortunate, but it is what it is. Let's put these aside and let's get to opening the other ones. So now for the 660 Pro. Same concept with the sleeve on top. Well, basically everything in the packaging is exactly the same, and not really surprised since the price on these is identical. The only difference being one's open back and one's closed back. Same old case. Probably don't even need to show this one. Also an identical cable with the screw-on tip. Seems to be relatively long and good feeling. Has like this soft silicone feel to it. And these ones, since they're closed back, they don't have that mesh towards the upper half. But besides that, they feel and look identical. Maybe the adjustment mechanism feels a tiny bit better on these for some reason. The pads are the same, they're like this velvety material. But if I were to show these side by side, I don't think anybody would be able to tell the difference, because the pads are the same, the shape is identical besides the grill being present on the 330 model. Everything else is absolutely identical. The cable length also seems to be identical, which is unsurprising. But yeah, I suppose that would be it for the headphone unboxing, since there's not that much more to it.